Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I wanted to share with you all just some things that I was doing in my garden and how my fall garden is coming along. It's coming along. I hope you enjoy your stay here and I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, because listen, I'm having a blast in my garden. Every day, family, every day. So this is my curry plant here, and I'm going to just take some leaves and dry. Um, I'm gonna dry some leaves today, maybe about 4 or 5 of them. This is the time to harvest your herbs. Harvest your herbs before the weather get cold and you lose your herbs. Harvest and let them dry inside. Yeah. All right. So this is Corey. Yeah, it's Corey. And this is my rosemary. And I'm gonna take some sprigs from here. It's probably about 4. Yeah. And I'm just gonna put them on my table and let them dry. Yeah. And this is the curry and rosemary, and I'm gonna set it on the table and let it dry. And then I'm gonna put it in my containers. This is curry and rosemary. Yeah, yeah. So this is what I have left from my sweet potatoes. I had some friends come over and yeah, they took their sweet potatoes. Now, I didn't have a huge harvest of sweet potatoes because really I had been eating them throughout the time that I planted them. But yeah, I grew just these 2 small containers. But anyway, I'm very happy with what I have, and my friends did take home some sweet potatoes. Now, they probably took all together maybe about 11 or 12 sweet potatoes, right? But listen, I'm good with what I have, right? So, everybody was very excited, and I had a great time with my friends here in my garden. Now, a lot of times I don't record many of my friends in my garden, especially the ones that is, everybody ain't open to social media, right? And so, because I respect them, yeah, I'm not going to put them on camera. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you all my sweet potatoes. That's them. That's what's left. But we all good over here, y'all. We good. We good. So this is my cucumbers, and I was trying to figure out who this cucumber was. Now, I went back in my videos and I saw the the cucumbers I was dropping. I dropped China Jade, and I know that is this one. It's a China Jade. I dropped a Yosho, which looks like a China Jade. They have that very long characteristic. But I also dropped white cucumbers. That's her. Yeah, this is the white cucumber. It's a white cucumber. And I'm thinking it's a seed from Burpee, where you could purchase it from Home Depot or Lowe's. I think that is what that seed is. I dropped that one, and I do have those seeds. So that's what this one is, and there's more on that plant. There's two more, and here is another one. So they're really prolific. Oh, let me get this. So she going this way, but I don't need her to go that way. Come on back, girl. Put her up here. And grab hold to that. So these are the two Vigo containers here. And she's all the way at the top of it. I just don't want them to hook up in the pear tree. Right? Yeah. So they're really doing good. And that is, oh, there's more long China Jade ones on the other side too. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. But they're looking really healthy this morning. Healthy and happy. Let's go. So now it is time for some of my vegetables to get their first taste of 511 and super juice. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Now, I love fertilizing my garden every 10 days. But as you can see, these are babies, and they are just now germinating. And this is their first taste of 511 and super juice. Yeah. This is the fertilizer I use in my garden. Matter of fact, it is the only fertilizer that I will be using in this garden. I love my vegetables to be nice and healthy and strong. And this works for me, family. It works for me. Yeah. Let me get these cucumbers right. Let me get them right. Oh, wow. There is my Dollar Tree pink lady blooming again. Year after year, they just keep on coming back. Gorgeous. Yep. Dollar Tree bulbs. They're called pink ladies, and I have not seen any in the Dollar Tree for a couple of years now, but oof, they don't die, y'all. They don't die. They don't die. Amen. Yeah. All right, everyone. It is about noon, and I'm about to go in and get me some lunch together because you all know lunch is special to me. Yeah, I get it in, baby. I get it in. Yeah, but listen, I went to the post office and I have some mail. I have some mail. Now, this mail is from Tony and Dolores. That's from Chula Homestead. Yeah, I'm so excited. And this is what they sent to me, y'all. So, that is turmeric. This is turmeric. I am so excited. And yes, this is turmeric growing. And that is turmeric growing. I know, but Chula Homestead turmeric is different. Oh, it's different, y'all. Her turmeric is so different, and I love it. I have been a part of Chula Homestead's channel for a long time, and their turmeric is amazing. So if you've never seen their turmeric before, go check them out. Chula Homestead with Tony and Dolores. Yeah. But I'm so excited about it. But one thing for sure, she sent me 2 Ziploc bags of turmeric. Look at that. Much love from Dolores and Tony. Yeah. And that's my bag it came in. I love it. But definitely I will be sending some of this turmeric to H-Town. Yes, Bagtown Roots. My nephew is going to love this turmeric, so I'm definitely going to send him some of this turmeric. It's just a little different. It's just a little different. Thank you, Dee. Thank you, Tony. Thank you all so much. I love it. I love it. I'm a good ways from my moringa tree, and I'm trying to find them. But all day, oh, they go one right there. All day, there it is right there. These monarch butterflies has been in this tree all day. There is a pair. You see them? They have been enjoying the moringa flowers all day. All day. I wish I could get really close, but that's one right there. And they have just been loving on these flowers and enjoying them because clearly they're eating. But they are loving this moringa tree. Really. All day, y'all. All day. I saw that. Yeah. They enjoying it. I'm so sorry about my shadow, but yeah, they're all germinating. They're all coming up. Come on up, baby. Get up. Get on up. Get up. Get on up. Yeah, so this is the little bed that I got Ben to move, and now they are doing their thing. Brassicas, baby, yeah. It is lunchtime. So what I have for lunch today is mixed vegetables and rice. I have some fried shrimp and fried catfish, and a huge salad with romaine lettuce. I have some arugula in there, some cucumbers, red onions, and tomatoes. I will get another bowl before it's over.